Yes guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. And right here guys, I have some pumpkin and some breadfruit. Okay guys, already peeled, wash and cut in small cubes. Okay guys, so what I'll be doing guys, I'll be using these two to make a lovely meal replacement for you guys. So firstly, I need to get it cooked. Okay guys, yes, the pumpkin and the breadfruit, they actually have different cooking time, but it doesn't matter because I really want these to be very tender. So what I'll be doing guys, I'll be putting this in a pot and I will allow them to cook until tender. Okay guys, so yes guys, in a pot of boiling water, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and add your pumpkin and your breadfruit. Okay guys, and I will allow this to cook for roughly 8 to 10 minutes or until very tender. And you don't want to put any salt in this. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do guys, I'm just going to go ahead and cover. So yes guys, my breadfruit and my pumpkin is fully cooked. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm just going to go ahead and put this aside and allow it to get cool. Okay guys, so yes guys, right here is my breadfruit and my pumpkin that has been fully cooled down. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm just going to go ahead and add some more water to this. Okay guys, so the water that you cook your breadfruit and your pumpkin in guys, you don't want to discard it, but this obvious that you need some more water. Okay guys, okay, lovely. Okay guys, so to this what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to go ahead and add some flaxseed powder. Some cinnamon, some nutmeg, some vanilla extract, and for the sweetener guys, I'll be using condensed milk. Okay guys, but if you're lactose guys, what you can do, you can go ahead and use almond milk, rice milk, you can use the milk of your choice. Okay guys, but to be honest guys, this one is not okay with sugar, with just sugar. It's good with any kind of milk, but not sugar. Okay guys, but I'll be using condensed milk. Okay guys, go ahead and add my condensed milk. A little more condensed milk. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this one. This one is a perfect meal replacement guys, trust me. This one is so filling. So yes guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. Okay guys, so yes guys, our pumpkin and breadfruit punch is ready. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some right in this glass here. Okay guys, right here. You can go ahead and serve yours over ice, but for me no. And here we go guys, our breadfruit and pumpkin punch is served. Let me go ahead and taste this one. Wow guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Please guys, try this combination, the breadfruit with the pumpkin, and use the ingredients that I've used. Okay guys, if you can find them, this one is absolutely fantastic guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in another one pretty soon. Goodbye.